Let's begin with updates coming in from Maharashtra, where you're seeing the political fight taking a tech turn, where now political parties are resorting to using AI as the Uddhav Sena has launched an AI war by bringing back Balasaheb Thackeray in his voice videos that they've put out. An AI avatar of Balasaheb has been used by the Uddhav Sena to attack the BJP. Essentially, the Uddhav Sena using technology to create an AI avatar of Balasaheb Thackeray as if he were alive today to talk about the current political scenario where he lashes out at the BJP's Hindutva politics. Take a look first at that AI video.
मी महाराष्ट्राच्या राजकारणात गरम रक्ताची मर्द पिढी उभी केली होती. अरे काय झालं त्या उसळणाऱ्या गरम रक्ताचे? अहो ते गद्दार गेले ते गेले. त्यांच्या स्वाभिमानाच्या गोवऱ्या सोनापुरात गेल्या. त्यांना पैसा अडका मंत्रिपदाच्या वतनदाऱ्या आज मिळाल्यात हो. पण इतिहासात तुमची नोंद फितूर आणि महाराष्ट्राचे गद्दार म्हणूनच राहणार. गंगेत किती डुबक्या मारल्यात तरी हे पाप आणि हा गद्दारीचा डाग धुतला जाणार नाही. या गद्दारांनी जिवंतपणेही माझ्या पाठीवर वार केलेच.
So that is a video released by the Uddhav Sena where they've cleverly used technology, used AI to essentially once again recreate Balasaheb Thackeray's voice, his iconic speeches to attack the BJP. Ritwik Balekar is joining us with more details on this. You know, Ritwik, Uddhav Sena essentially putting the focus again on that legacy fight and taking forward in a way what Kunal Kamra said, referring to Eknath Shinde as a traitor, but this time with the voice of Balasaheb Thackeray.
Absolutely. Earlier we saw many times old videos of the speeches of Balasaheb Thackeray had surfaced during the rallies of UBT Shiv Sena. And we also saw a movie based on the life of Balasaheb Thackeray. But this is the first time Uddhav Thackeray and his party has used artificial intelligence technology which recreates the voice, the tone and the mannerism of Balasaheb Thackeray, and they are using it to target BJP and Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena faction. With a scathing attack, we saw how Balasaheb Thackeray was speaking against the ruling parties. They want to recreate the way if Balasaheb Thackeray would have been live, what he would have been said and how he would have targeted all these ruling parties. So this is just an attempt to garner the support of Shiv Sainiks who are very much emotional about Balasaheb Thackeray, his charisma. Whole nation knows, Maharashtra knows how Shiv Sainiks are aggressive. When Balasaheb Thackeray gave fiery speeches during his Dashera rally. So now Uddhav Thackeray wants to recreate the same line of attack against his opponents on the upcoming civic poll elections in Maharashtra.
Okay, Ritwik, just stay with me. I want to play out once again for our viewers that video that the Uddhav Sena has put out. A full video against Eknath Shinde, calling him a traitor, all done in the voice of Balasaheb Thackeray using artificial intelligence.
महाराष्ट्राच्या राजकारणात गरम रक्ताची मर्द पिढी उभी केली होती. अरे काय झालं त्या उसळणाऱ्या गरम रक्ताचे? अहो ते गद्दार गेले ते गेले. त्यांच्या स्वाभिमानाच्या गोवऱ्या सोनापुरात गेल्या. त्यांना पैसा अडका मंत्रिपदाच्या वतनदाऱ्या आज मिळाल्यात हो. पण इतिहासात तुमची नोंद फितूर आणि महाराष्ट्राचे गद्दार म्हणूनच राहणार. गंगेत किती डुबक्या मारल्यात तरी हे पाप आणि हा गद्दारीचा डाग धुतला जाणार नाही. या गद्दारांनी जिवंतपणेही माझ्या पाठीवर वार केलेच. मी
So that is the video that's now going viral also in Maharashtra. What is really the reaction that's come in so far, Ritwik, from Eknath Shinde, from the Shiv Sena?
Eknath Shinde's faction has not yet reacted because it is seen as a double-edged sword. If they react against the kind of technology used by UBT Sena, it might go against them. But we saw Chandrasekhar Bawankode, who is also state president of BJP, terming it as a childish stunt by UBT Sena, because people know that Balasaheb Thackeray supported Hindutva. He was the founder member of the alliance with BJP and Yuti in Maharashtra, and he would have definitely not spoken against BJP or the Shiv Sena, which is now being led by Eknath Shinde.
All right, Ritvik, thanks very much for joining us with all of those details. As this video now is doing the rounds put out by the Uddhav Sena, we'll await a reaction from, in fact, the Shiv Sena on this entire video. But the political blame game continuing over the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray, not really new, but the fact that Uddhav Sena has now used artificial intelligence to recreate the voice of Balasaheb Thackeray and, of course, his iconic delivery of lines, of speeches. They've used that to target Eknath Shinde, as the Uddhav Sena has repeatedly attempted to put out this narrative of him being a traitor, that he cannot be someone who carries forward the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray. And that's exactly what has, in fact, been parroted in this video.